Good day everybody, my name is OKONTA Samson. In this tutorial, I'll be showing us how to install Java IDE. In this instance, we want to install Spring 2 Suite 4. You go to any of your browser and type Spring 2 Suite 4 and download. This operating system is Mac. I'll just download. I'll go to Spring.io. So you come to Spring.io, you go to Tools, but already in Tools. So there are different versions of it depending on your operating system. In my own case, I'm using Intel, so you use this. Supposing you are using Apple Silicon, whether M1, M2, M3, I don't know if they have M4, you click on this. So once I click, I will click and allow it to download. If I'm installing for Linux, I will click this. If I'm installing for Windows, I will click on this. So you can see downloading here. We just give it a little time for it to download. The download is almost completed. Now the download is completed. So what we do is we can say show in folder. Just right click and click on show in folder. So let's install. We double click. In every operating system, the best way to just install it, whether it's on Windows, on Linux or Mac, double click. So once you double click and it brings this, just drag it and put it inside the application. Finish. Once you drag it and put it inside the application, that means it has been installed. It's just quite a very simple process. Double click, it will show you applications and Spring Tools. Drag the Spring Tools into the application. That is all you need to do. If we come now, if we close this, you can close this. If you come to go now and go to your applications, you see that Spring Tools is here. Okay, the art of dragging it into the applications is just how you install it. Click on your launchpad, select this and drag it to anywhere here and keep it. So that is the art of putting it on your launchpad. That is all. So now the next thing we need to do will be to test, to write our simple. Let's test if it's okay. We close all this like normally. What we have done, if this is the first, if we have installed and we came back to run our program. So what we do is that we come to application. We look for Spring Tools here. Let's click it. If it runs, that means the installation is okay. If it doesn't run, that means something is wrong. So it will ask us for where do we want it to be writing our projects, our programs, where do we want it to be writing to, where do we want to save them. So I have a folder called STS project. I want it to be writing to that place. I'll say launch. Okay, we have installed it properly. You can see the file here. We want to write our first program. I say new Java project. We'll call it tutorial. It has chosen the right Java GRE. Just say finish. We'll come to tutorial and come to this file and said, okay, let's write our first Java class. As usual, we use hello world. Before we do that, we put it as com.btss, and write our class as hello world. I will choose public static void main, just include it for us so that we don't need to rewrite it. That gave us this to this. So what we do is that we just say system. So let's just print out anything. Let's just print out anything from our. Let's just do a print. Let's just print out anything from let's just print anything to the console. As usual, we just say hello. Hello world. What we can do is just right click, scroll down, and say run as Java application. We just run it. So if we change this to Samson, let's see what it will do. Instead of going there, we can also come here and launch it from here. Say hello world Samson. So with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial.